Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats app promo not applied. So there are two ways for us to try and solving this one. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to first clear your cache on your application. So go ahead and look for Uber and from here press and hold on it and go for this app info. Now from here just click on this clear data and then but in here sometimes it's going to give you an option to clear your cache, so you don't want to immediately clear all your data here. If you have the option to clear your cache, as you can see here, tap on this clear cache and click OK. The next thing you want to do here is you want to see if that solves your issue. So go ahead and open your Uber Eats and see if that solves the issue or not. If it doesn't solve the issue, then next thing you want to do here is to see if there are any updates on Uber. So go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Search for Uber and see if there are any updates and install it on your mobile device. Now once you install, go ahead and see if that solves your issue, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.